Hello everyone. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Mobile Mining and Trading. I'm Dixon, and I'm excited to have you here. After countless hours of research and testing, I'm here to bring you the most reliable, real-time updates, insights, and strategies to help you stay ahead in the world of crypto mining and trading. Let's explore opportunities, learn together, and grow our crypto knowledge and profits, all from our mobile devices. Before we dive into today's massive news, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps the channel grow and keeps you informed. Today, we've got a major update from the Pi network that many of you have been waiting for. This is huge news. This was designed to get people a mainnet wallet quickly and allow them to participate in the ecosystem, though it didn't enable the final mainnet migration. Now, after observing how well that system worked, the core team has integrated its underlying technology into the main standard KYC process. This is the one that actually unblocks your migration. So, by leveraging AI more heavily, all validations, this update brings several key benefits. First, it helps resolve the validator shortage issues that some countries and regions were facing. If you were stuck in a long queue because of this update is for you. Second, it's designed to unblock migrations from more pioneers in a much faster way. Third, it reduces the amount of human validation needed, which saves the collective time and effort of the entire network. And finally, for privacy, it reduces the amount of your personal information that is displayed to human validators. It's important to remember that sensitive data like your ID number already redacted, but this adds another layer of privacy. Now, you might be thinking, what about the human validators? Will they be out of a job? Not at all. This integration actually makes their work more efficient without taking away their opportunity to contribute. The AI reviews are intentionally set to be very conservative to avoid any false positives. So, any application that the AI ain't 100% sure about is still automatically sent to human validators for a final check. This also helps reduce what they call false negatives, which are cases that should have passed but were rejected by the AI. So, human validators still have plenty of important work to do, verifying accounts and helping fellow pioneers get to the mainnet. And looking at the bigger picture, the human labor saved can be redirected to new opportunities within the Pi ecosystem. Think about tasks like providing human feedback to improve the AI models or participating in reinforcement training products. It's about optimizing the network's resources. The overall goal of Pi KYC is to create an accurate, accessible, and scalable identity verification system, not just for pioneers, but potentially for other external services in Web3 or AI where verified identity is critical. This brings us to the next important update: validator rewards. If you've been a validator, you're probably wondering when you'll see your Pi rewards for all your hard work. The core team has confirmed that work on distributing these rewards is ongoing and making good progress. It's a massive undertaking. They have to assess and analyze an immense volume of validation data that's been accumulating since 2021. We're talking about hundreds of millions of validation tasks with different types, results, and quality levels. They also need to ensure the rewards are distributed fairly and that the system architecture is scalable enough to handle payments to millions of validators, both now and in the future. Accuracy and security are top priorities as these rewards will be distributed on the mainnet blockchain. The team has set a target for this deployment, and they are aiming for it to be completed by the end of the first quarter of 2026. Yes, that's a little while away, but it shows the complexity and scale of what they're building. I know we've covered a lot, but I want to pause here for a second. If you're finding this information valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. And if you have any questions about this AI integration or the validator rewards, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer every single one. Your engagement helps us all learn and grow together. Now, let's get back to it and look at the latest numbers for KYC and mainnet migration. These metrics show the real impact of the recent system improvements. Pi recently released statistics on the number of pioneers who were unblocked from the tentatively KYCD status. And get this, there are still about 3 million pioneers in that tentatively KYCD category who can unblock themselves right now. If this applies to you, all you need to do is go into the app and submit the additional liveness checks. Please, if you've been waiting, go complete those checks as soon as you can to get fully KYCD. So, what are the official numbers as of the latest update? We now have 17.5 million pioneers who have fully passed KYC. That's a huge milestone. And out of those, 15.7 million pioneers have successfully migrated their Pi to the mainnet. This is incredible progress. If you're one of the pioneers who has fully passed KYC but hasn't migrated yet, make sure you complete the mainnet checklist. This includes tasks like setting up and confirming your mainnet wallet, enabling two-factor authentication to secure your wallet, and signing the terms of service to receive your tokens. Don't delay, get it done, so you can join the others on the mainnet. These millions of KYCD pioneers on the Pi mainnet are a monumental achievement for the entire community. It's a testament to our collective efforts. This massive, verified user base is a powerful resource that not only secures the network's integrity, but also serves as the foundation for building real-world utilities in the Web3 and AI industries that will shape our future. This AI integration strengthens all of these goals by making the entire system faster, more consistent, and easier to scale for the millions more who are still waiting. We've covered some incredibly exciting developments today. The AI upgrades are a massive step forward for speeding up KYC and mainnet migration. The update on validator rewards gives us a clear timeline to look forward to, and the growing number of KYCD and migrated pioneers shows that the network is stronger and more ready than ever for the next phase. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this breakdown was clear and helpful. If it was, one last time, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and hitting that notification bell to stay up to date. Your support means the world to me and this channel. Remember to leave your questions and thoughts in the comments section below. I'm Dixon, and I'll catch you in the next video.